Dad.
Okay.
Yes, Dad.
Okay, so.
Daddy, I would like you to take me to the zoo this weekend.
Oh.
Joy, I have a party to attend with your dad this weekend. Please, just...
Come on, honey. Let me take the girl to the zoo at least once. This weekend.
Wait. You not say you prefer your daughter ways than mine?
Oh, God. How can you ever say that? You know I love you both so much. I cherish both of you. Okay? Come on. Joy?
Yes, Dad.
You're growing into a bigger girl now. You know that? I have something very important to discuss with you. Once you're done with your work, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Remind me, right?
And I believe you have something to tell me to.
Sure. I always do.
Alright.
Okay, can we go now?
Yes, Dad. Let us go, everyone. Bye, Mom. Bye.
Alright, sweetheart. Take care, right? Yeah, sure. Let's go. I can't walk after receiving the call this morning.
Who called you?
The bank called me. Remember we took loan for 6 months. But they called me this month, they want the loan back after 3 weeks, so I don't know.
What? The actress said that to you? I mean, it's not up to a month you collected that money from them, and now they are requesting for it. I mean, this can be happening to us, not now. Okay, honey, what do you intend doing? We don't have the money now, so what do you think we should do?
For now, I'm confused. My head is filled up, I don't know.
Okay.
I just have to think.
My daughter, your daddy is very worried. He is so upset. He's super bad. And in that case, he doesn't need any disturbance. They just sit here like mother and the daughter and discuss. Okay. But mommy, what's the matter? Nothing. Nothing at all. I just sit here and talk. So can we go now?
Yes, Mom. But I hope it's friends.
Oh yes, my dear. We can only hope in God, okay? Let's go.
Mama, welcome. Mama, welcome.
Thank you, my sister. And where is my son? And why have you not given him a son?
Mama, your son went to work. Please, let's go in, let me show you.
Didn't you hear me? Didn't you hear my question? Didn't you hear my question?
Mama.
Why have you not given my son a son?
Mama, I heard you. But you need some rest, okay? Don't worry, we'll talk about it. Please, just go with me. Mama. Welcome. Mama. when your grandmother is here, what do you think we should do? Because I'm not ready to tell her what we are doing. Yeah?
Mother, she's going to question us if she finds out.
Yes.
I think we should sneak out of the house.
Sneak out?
Yes, before she comes out of her room.
Juliet! Juliet!
I asked my mom to escort me so I'll get something for you. And here's what I got for you.
Thank you very much, my grandchild. You shouldn't have bothered yourself. You shouldn't have. Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
Daddy, are you still thinking about the bank job?
It's nothing. I'm fine. Hope you're good, right? You had your lunch, right?
Yes.
I think I have to go now. So I'm running late.
Yeah. Sweetheart.
So, what are you trying? What are we going to do about the bank?
For now, I don't have a plan, honestly, but they keep calling and reminding me of the day, but I just have to keep up my work.
Okay.
Yeah. I have to go now.
Believe me, God is in control. Okay?
Alright, take care.
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Yes, honey. Just got change your mind.
But how? Where do I even start from? Only today alone, I've received more than 12 messages from these people. And my wife is at home with her own problems. Bad girl! Give me one more bottle, please. Hello? Yes? No, let me... No, it's not... No, it's... Please, can I say something? I know. Yes, yeah, you've tried. No. Oh, see, this is exactly what I'm saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. How can I go about this? Oh, God. Where is the beer now? Ah! Mama, I can't do. What doesn't matter? I can want. Ah! This is the only consolation I have.
Where are you two coming from?
Grandma, just
Juliet, you are not saying anything. Where are you two coming from? Or is there anything you are not telling me?
Mama, 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 it's not what you think. It's not what I think. Please, I'll explain. I will explain.
Yeah. Why this sudden change of going out without telling anyone? Why? Let it not be what I'm thinking. Yes, let it not be.
Don't you think what you are doing is dangerous? Huh?
Mom, don't think of that. Besides, we're doing the right thing because my heart is telling me that.
Well, your grandmother is becoming a big problem in this issue. Don't you see?
Let's come out of this because she will never find out what we're doing no matter how hard she tries.
must find out what they are up to. Yes. I can't be a stranger in my house. Never.
Son? Yes, ma'am.
You're still awake?
Yeah.
Yes. There is something I want us to discuss. I mean, something that has been going on in this house. I want us to discuss about.
Honey.
Honey, please, you have to go with me.
I saw something in our room just now. I want you to come and check what that is. Please.
Maybe, what does it look like?
I don't know. Just come, please.
Mom, I think we have to continue the discussion by tomorrow. Let me check what is in the room.
You think you're smart, right? But I will show you that before you got married to this young man here, he was already my son. And he is still my son till now. And nothing can change it. You can't dare.
Mom, it's okay. Let me just check what is in the room. And listen, show me what it is. I hope it's not something serious.
What's happening? I've heard Dad and Grandma are discussing about something, but I didn't hear what the discussion was all about.
Actually, my daughter, I believe this is the last day of this mission, and we must finish it. Now listen, I want you to go in and finish up whatever you are doing. Once your father leaves the house, you leave the house immediately. Okay? Let me get this.
Alright.
You're both welcome. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be at your place to have a quick discussion with your husband.
Sir, I think you should come with some security because I don't trust the way I'm at right now.
Joy.
Trust me, very soon this will be over. Okay?
Okay.
Of course, I'm going to come with some security. And don't worry, for now, I have to take my leave. When I come home. Yeah, hold on.
Hello? My son. You are in the office now. Huh? I think. Okay. Please. I want you to come to the house now. Your mother is not feeling fine. I don't know what is wrong with me. Please. Please come and see me. I don't know if I will survive it though. Please come quick. Come quick. Eh? Okay. You're coming now, eh? It's okay, my son. I will be waiting for you. Thank you.
told me that you're not feeling fine. But here you are drinking.
I know you will be surprised. Yes, my son, I called you. Nothing is wrong with your mother. I just called you for you to come and see by yourself that all those things that I have been telling you is the truth. Son, go and look for your wife.
My wife?
Yes.
But where's my wife? I can't find her inside. You mean she didn't tell you where she was going with my daughter?
How can she tell me? She didn't tell me. As you can see, she has already upgraded by dragging your daughter into her prostitution life.
Oh.
I warned you severally when you dragged that girl to me and told me that you want to get married to her. I said no, but you insisted. Now look at you. Look at your life.
Juliet. Juliet! You finally brought out the beast in me. Joseph, calm down. Let me just wait. Let me wait until she comes back and don't give me a single reason why she should be doing all this to me.
The reason is that you don't satisfy her as she wants.
Mom, how can you say that? No, stop, Mom. How can you say I don't satisfy my wife on bed? No. Okay, if I told her that I don't satisfy her, all she could do is to tell me. But not doing all this. Anyway, I'll sit here and wait until she comes back.
She can't explain. She can't.
Let me just wait. From by this time, dressed like a prostitute. You.
Daddy, please, leave me alone.
You. I will teach you how to live like a responsible woman. And you start following her, right?
I will be the one to introduce every one of you. Once we get there, I want you to behave yourself. Is that clear?
Boss, what are we going to do with the company when we have it?
That shouldn't be your problem. I already have an agent who is interested in buying the company. Or rather, I already have an agent who is interested in the company. We don't need it. We just need the money. The cash is what we need.
But boss, it's too early. Remember we gave them 2 weeks and it's not 2 weeks. I think we need to calm down. Maybe he will be able to provide the money for us.
Time is what we don't have. Time is what we don't have. There's no time. See, once this man finds out that we want to defraud him, he will chicken out, he will run away. Then we lose. And I'm not ready to lose in this game. So tomorrow we are going there. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll hit that place.
To his company?
Yeah, I have the address to his house. So tomorrow morning, we hit there. Guys, see. If this deal clicks, guy, we don't hammer. Guy, so okay.
We don't hammer. By Benza. Even no, it's you. Come on, I don't like you, but
go carry your chapel.
Oh, my Benza. I'm losing the Benza. Even the men are always open.
Right?
Yes, Dad.
So, your mom told you where she was going to? She didn't tell you? Because by this time she's not back. I don't know. So where are you coming from?
Mommy, I'm so sorry.
I said, where are you coming from by this time of the night?
I'm sorry.
So you started going around, sleeping around, right? Moving around the town.
Please leave my mom.
Come on, shut that thing you call. Come on, sit down there. You. From today, I'm going to set the standard of living in this house. Let me see you move around again. Come on, get out of this place. Come on, friend, get out of the way, please.
Stop crying. Please stop crying. Stop crying.
Boss, let me take. I've searched for that guy everywhere. I can't find him.
Huh? What? That guy did crazy. This guy, he knows will get barons today. See, you see why I'd like to bust his head.
See, boss, let me tell you. The best thing we need to do now is get going. Let's get going. Because I don't want to lose anything. Oh, God, draw. Don't wait for nobody. No go. No go on this shit.
You have no explanation to give to me. Get inside.
Good day, sir.
And who are you and how may I help you, please?
Well, my name is Dixon and this is my colleague. We're from the bank where you borrowed money. So we are here to pick the money.
But you gave me 3 weeks to pay up. It's not even up to a week.
Not anymore. Yes, we need the money now.
You gave me 6 months, then 3 weeks.
From the State Security Service. And these men here, officer, take them.
Your hands on your head.
heads.
Hey, officer, please, there is a mix-up somewhere.
Yes, mix.
Shut up.
Sir, you need to be grateful to your wife and your daughter who made it possible for us to carry out due investigation on these hoodlums. They are scammers. They are not really from the bank.
There's a mix-up somewhere.
Officer, you mean these guys are not from the bank?
It's not what you think.
Officer, you can't imagine the pressure that these guys put me through.
I can imagine.
Thank you. Officer, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you too. You still have a couple of more to pay off your debts. But for now, I'll be on my way.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Oh, so all this has been mistakes. How do I do this? Joy, you can take your mom's bag inside. Let's take it inside.